Are you tired of feeling like the world of investing is a closed club where only the affluent thrive while the rest of us watch from the sidelines? What if I told you that this is one of the biggest myths holding you back from building your wealth? Welcome to our journey from financial uncertainty to empowerment, where we shatter the misconception that investing is reserved for the wealthy elite. Don't have enough money? Here is how to invest when broke. $0 to infinity. In this video, we'll challenge the notion that investing requires a hefty bank account. Instead, we'll show you how investing isn't just about money. It's about investing your time, your effort, and your creativity. Imagine turning your intellectual property, your articles, your music, your designs, into powerful assets with the potential for high returns. Legends like Robert Kiyosaki taught us the art of using other people's money, OPM, to build wealth. It's about leveraging what you have, learning continuously, and applying creative thinking to find opportunities where others see obstacles. But wait, there's more. We'll provide you with the tools and knowledge to transform from a hesitant observer to a confident investor, even without a single dollar to your name. Join us as we challenge the status quo and embark on a journey of financial empowerment. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's build knowledge and take control of our financial futures together. Let's take a moment to shift our perspective on what it really means to invest. It's not just about the dollars in your bank account, it's about recognizing the wealth you already possess. Think about it. Your time, your knowledge, and the assets you interact with daily are your untapped investment gold mines. Let's start with a simple exercise to uncover the assets you already own. Do you have a skill that others might find valuable? Perhaps you're a whiz at digital marketing, a gifted designer, or you have a knack for coding. These are potential income streams waiting to be tapped. And what about the things you own or the network you've built? Your social media followers, the guitar collecting dust in the corner, or even the coding knowledge you take for granted. Each holds potential value. Consider the power of self-education and skill development. Investing time in learning and honing your abilities means you're essentially planting seeds that can grow into significant income sources. This is a gradual, sustained growth that can eventually be funneled into more traditional investment avenues. Ever heard about the idea of intellectual property? Your creative outputs, be it blogs, ebooks, music, or online courses, aren't just expressions of your talent. They're assets that can generate passive income while you sleep. The investment world thrives on connections, and your next big opportunity could come from the person you least expect. Joining investment groups or finding a helps you gain access to funds where you can trade in your unique skills for a slice of the profit pie. It's here, in the exchange of value for value, that you'll find the real essence of investing. Remember, every millionaire investor started somewhere, often with nothing more than a skill, an idea, or a connection. A well-structured budget can become your blueprint for financial freedom. Making a budget enables you to earmark funds for investments, even if they start small. Among the most acclaimed budgeting methods are the zero-based budget, where every dollar has a job. Next, let's tackle the art of expense cutting. This isn't about cutting out your morning coffee, unless you want to, but rather making mindful decisions that bolster your financial goals. Could you switch to a less expensive phone plan? Maybe cook at home more often rather than dining out? Each dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested towards your future. Remember, the goal here is not austerity, but rather prioritizing investments over expenditures that don't serve your long-term interests. This brings us to an often overlooked avenue for financial optimization: your job benefits. If you're not taking full advantage of a 401k match from your employer, you're leaving free money on the table. Sometimes, reallocating resources includes making significant changes, like seeking employment that supports your financial goals more robustly through benefits like retirement plans or health savings accounts. Let's also not underestimate the impact of debt management on your ability to invest. High-interest debt, particularly from credit cards, can eat away at your potential to save and invest. By tackling this debt head-on, either through methods like the debt snowball or avalanche, you free up more of your income. In essence, managing your finances through budgeting, cutting unnecessary expenses, optimizing job benefits, and handling debt is the bedrock upon which your investment journey is built. It's about making strategic choices today that pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow. In investing, the entry barriers have dramatically lowered thanks to technology and innovative financial instruments. The advent of micro-investing apps has democratized access to the stock market, allowing you to start investing with amounts as trivial as your morning coffee money. Imagine turning your spare change into a portfolio of stocks and ETFs. It's happening right now for millions of users who've embraced apps designed to make investing both accessible and unintimidating. Yet, the journey doesn't end with micro-investing. High-yield savings accounts present another gateway for novice investors. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, making them an excellent repository for your emergency fund or short-term savings, all the while accruing interest at a more favorable rate. Chris Guillebeau's The $100 Startup sheds light on an inspiring pathway: entrepreneurship with scant upfront capital. The digital age has lowered the cost of entry for entrepreneurs, enabling ambitious individuals to turn their passions into profitable ventures with minimal investment. This approach champions the idea that with creativity and hustle, financial limitations become less prohibitive. Exploring further into leveraging other people's money, OPM, specialized loans, particularly for real estate investment, underscore the practicality of this strategy. Whether it's for flipping houses or investing in rental properties, understanding how to responsibly use debt as leverage can amplify your investment potential significantly. Robert Kiyosaki's teachings further illuminate the transformative power of mindset in financial growth. Adopting the mindset that "I can't afford it" not only limits your financial potential, but also your creative capacity to find solutions. OPM requires a paradigm shift, to see opportunities where others see obstacles, and to use creativity and resourcefulness as your capital. For those intrigued by the financial markets but hesitant to risk real money, stock market simulators offer a risk-free environment to learn and experiment. These platforms simulate real market conditions, providing a valuable educational tool that can sharpen your investing acumen without any financial downside. Moreover, the burgeoning world of crowdfunding real estate platforms opens up investment opportunities in real estate to a broader audience, allowing for participation in property investments with substantially lower capital than traditionally required. Each of these strategies underscores a fundamental truth. The landscape of investment is evolving, with an increasing number of pathways to participate. No longer is substantial capital a prerequisite to enter the world of investing. With the right mindset, knowledge, and a willingness to explore innovative financial tools, the doors to investing are open wider than ever before. The journey from "I can't afford it" to "how can I make this work" isn't just about financial literacy. It's about adopting a mindset of abundance and possibility. Robert Kiyosaki eloquently states, "It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." This philosophy underpins the essence of our discussion today. Investment is accessible to everyone, regardless of your current financial standing. As we conclude, I invite you to share your narratives and your plans to start or continue your investment journey, especially with minimal funds. And remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified.